Okay, cherry lovers, putting her at her final resting place. This is where she'll be till I die. So, anyways, we're hanging up the sign up on the farm, and I thought I'd show you guys what we're doing. And stay tuned, because you're going to see what else we're going to do today. So, stick around. We'll be back. There it is, cherry lovers. That's where she's going to stay. Looks nice up there, don't it? Alright, cherry lovers, we're out here today. And we got this stuff that we got to take down, all these supports. One fell when we had that 50-mile-an-hour winds, but I got to repair some holes. I went down through here, got started. And we're repairing some holes. There's one right up there, and I think that's it on this side, and then we got a few on the other side, and then we're going to tear this down. But believe it or not, it's 43 outside the high tunnel. It's actually, if I had the curtains down, it'd actually be warm in here, wouldn't it, hon?
Yeah, but it's not warm.
Believe it or not, it's 43 outside the high tunnel. It's actually, if I had the curtains down, it'd actually be warm in here, wouldn't it, hon?
Yeah, but it's not warm.
Believe it or not, it's 43 outside the high tunnel. It's actually, if I had the curtains down, it'd actually be warm in here, wouldn't it, hon?
Yeah, but it's not warm in here.
No, because I got the curtains up. So I'm going to repair this spot right here. So I need some tape, sweetie. Believe it or not, people, this stuff is sticky. You don't look like it's thin, but it's thick, if you know what I mean. The way it's made. It's got a real thick goo on it. Okay. I think that's it for this side, babe.
Okay.
We'll go with real rabbit poop. There's one right here I can reach.
Here?
That's pretty much it. You didn't do...
Right here?
Yeah.
Actually, it looks like two holes.
Yeah, there is. One right here.
Yep.
There we go. And then a couple weeks here, folks, we're gonna be putting the side curtains down. Once I got bees that are going to come in, they're probably going to be sitting right here. I got a hive of bees the guy's going to bring in. Then he's going to bring a hive to sit out in the orchard, and he also said he's going to bring about, I don't know, 2-3 more just to set them out. And we'll see. Is there one right there?
I got a couple spots I need you to check. One there, one here.
They're not totally cold out here though, hon, is it? No, it's not. If we were working outside this high tunnel, you'd notice the difference. You may say no.
My hands are cold, that tells me that it's pretty cold out.
All right. A little bit of maintenance, folks, a little bit of maintenance. Spring maintenance. We have to maintain the high tunnel to its best of its ability. See any more? I know there's a couple down the other way.
right there?
There's one right here.
Right there.
Right where?
Right
Yeah,
there.
that's one. That poopy.
Now this might be a hole right there.
Okay. Let me check.
And watch your roping right there.
Where, hon? No.
Right there.
Yep, it is a little one.
Check the one right beside it to the left of it.
So we'll put a repair on it. This one right here, right?
Yeah. And then check that little teeny spot beside it to your left. See it? Make sure that's not turning to the right. What about right there?
Nope.
See anything in that one?
Yeah, we're looking good down here till you get to the end.
What about right there? I don't know.
Nope.
Little spot?
Yep. No.
Guess I'm getting too picky then.
Yeah.
What about right here?
Yep. That is one. Repair, repair, repair.
Can you reach it?
Huh?
Can you reach it?
Yeah, I can reach it.
Okay.
I'm amazed at how it sticks. Stuff sticks, people. Stuff sticks. Stuff sticks.
Anything in that one?
There's one right there.
Is that one?
Right straight ahead of us. Straight up. And we got major repairs there.
No, is that another one over here?
Right here and right here. Yep. And there's some going to be up here, but I got to get Uncle Dave's ladder. Get the 12-footer out. That won't be till it's warmer.
Dead center.
Huh?
Spot dead center. Check that. Yeah, right there.
No.
Nope. Okay.
Nope, not there either.
All right. Mark the ladder.
Okay.
Wow, that one's horrible.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to put
I need a big long one for that. Now I'm going to put the ladder out here.
and then check that one right next to it to the right.
Got one there too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Check that to the right. And then there's one there, one below, and one just to the left of that. And that one to the right, and then I'll make a little bigger one.
This one?
That ain't gonna fit. Yeah, do the little one. And this one you can put on there. You one there?
No, they're just scarred.
What about there? That's definitely a hole.
Here?
No, right here. I can see it.
There.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I gotta get over there to get that. Give me a small piece.
about right there?
Here's none.
No, right there.
Here?
Yeah, yeah.
And we'll put it on there. It's almost through. Good.
What about right here? Did you check that while you were up there?
Yeah, that was fine. That was fine. And as they say, when the sun comes out and warms this up, this stuff is like, I don't know, the heat will start really adhering it together, and it ain't long, and it's almost like one then. But we'll see. That's what they tell me. I gotta go by what they tell me. So,
What about right here?
no, that's just you. It's just the ripple.
Okay.
Right there's okay. Well, let's make one last. I know I got one that I gotta wait
See the
and
ladder?
yeah, I gotta get a 12-footer. See it up there?
I did.
That one. Those two have to be repaired. When I put the high tunnel down,
And if you can see there, right here,
yeah,
just on the other side.
right there. There's like one big spot there. There's a one right there, and there's one right there. I don't know what it's going to be when I take it down over there, but
Let's do that now.
what I'm going to do, people, next year, you see how the poles are going to meet underneath each one of those rafters, the metal rafters, these poles, so they don't, when they sag, they don't tear no holes. But I'm going to have them lined all down through the middle here. It's going to be basically it's going to be bolted together and everything, so it's just basically you put it together, tighten down some bolts, they're in place, they won't go nowhere. And that's what's going to happen this fall.